If you want to edit photos on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then you can use, for example, Gallery. If you go to the gallery, you can tap on the photo that you wish to edit, and then you can, for example, use AI by using this icon with 4 stars. And then we have some example tools. However, the full editing mode is available by using this pen icon on the left side. And over here we have some customization options or editing tools that we can apply. So make sure to go through them in order to adjust your photo and make it look just as you wish it to be. And if you make any changes to the photo, then you should be able to press save over here in the top right corner, and then you are asked if you want to save over the original. So if you want to keep the original photo, then in that case we need to tap on these 3 dots and choose save copy instead, so that you have this edited version and the original as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!